Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Vital. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get $25,000 small business grant, and you know that grant means free money, right? So I will show you step by step how you can get this $25,000 grant, and of course you won't have to pay a single penny back. But remember, right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And I would like to tell you that in this video I will tell you step by step in detail what are you need to do and what is the requirements as well as the perks of this grant, and of course I will tell you who is eligible for it and how you can get it. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So finally, after a lot of requests, state of Colorado, this is right in front of you, the opportunity you've been all waiting for. Yes, it's for Colorado, the town of Frederick, and this opportunity is not going to last long. Yes, because it is ending on November 15th. So please watch this video till the end, because I will tell you what is the eligibility criteria and what are the steps that you need to take in order to get this grant. And remember what you can get. Yes, you can get up to $25,000 if you follow the steps mentioned in this video, or what I mean by mention, it's just going to mention in this video though. So stay with me till the end of this video, and now let's see that what are the eligibility criteria and what are the steps you need to take. So when you actually click on the link, I'm going to paste it in the video's description, this website will open. So as soon as you will come to this website, all you need to do, you need to scroll down, and under resources for business owners for the pandemic, you need to actually find out learn more and apply today, right? So click on it. As soon as you click on it, this page will open for the Well County Business Recovery Program. Remember, this is phase 2, right? And so I'm going to tell you all the eligibility criteria, right? So when you open this page, you need to scroll down and click on apply now. So as soon as you do that, it will tell you the overview, eligibility requirements, and of course the minimum qualification for this grant, or you can say assistance. So I'm going to take you step by step, point by point, what you need to know and what is the eligibility criteria. So remember, you can only apply this once. Don't try to lie in the application. I always tell you guys, because this is connected to your career, your life, and to your business as well. So please never ever do that. So now I'm going to tell you what is the eligibility and what your business should do in order to get it. So your business should be located in Well County, Colorado. Yes, if your business is right there, you are eligible for it. The second one, that you should be established prior to February 1st, 2020. Yes, before the pandemic, you have to be established and running and operative. So if you were, then you are good to go, right? And you should have, so the third point is that you should have fewer than 500 employees. Yes, if you have more than 500, then of course you are not small business. So yes, if you have fewer than 500, and even if you have one, means you're the only employee in your business, you are good to go. So it's between 1 to 500. If you have any number of employees between 1 to 500, and they should be full-time employees, so if you have them, you are good to go. It says part-time, but remember, if you are the only employee in your company, and you know what I mean, so you can actually show it that you are full-time. Again, never lie, because if you're doing it, it's obvious that you are full-time. And if you have more employees who are part-time, so you can do that, but you have to show someone who's full-time in your company. Your business has to be in good standing, so of course you are not going into a huge loss or anything before the pandemic, but after the pandemic is good, you are good to go, right? One more thing, and the last one is that meet one of those requirements: 50% of the business owned by Weld County residents, or your 50% gross recipients originated in Weld, or 50% employees are Weld County residents. So the explanation of this, that if you have people working for you in your business and they live in Weld County, like the 50% at least, for example, if you have 10 people working for you and at least 5 of them live in Weld County, you are good to go. You are eligible for this grant, and you can apply this with closed eyes. Actually, don't do it with closed eyes, open your eyes and then do it, but this is really important. If you feel like that your employees don't live in Weld County, or your business is not located in Weld County, don't apply for this, because you are gonna get denied. So this is really important. I always tell everyone, never ever lie in your application, especially when it comes to grants, because believe me, for few $1,000s, you don't want to ruin your career, you don't want to ruin your life, and you don't want to ruin your business. So please keep that in mind. So now, without wasting any time, let's go and see how the application will look like. Click right here, apply online. See, it says Weld County Business Recurring Program Round 2. And one more thing I want to tell you right here, believe me, in the first round they still had funds remaining, so they added into the round 2. So even if you share this video with your loved ones or with the people you know, of course it will not take that opportunity away from you. It will help them, it will help you as well, and they will give you a lot of prayers as well. And please, for this, give us a like, because if you like this video, it means that you are supporting us and we will be glad. And the other thing is that right after this video, don't forget that $15,000 business credit card with no credit check. In order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. Now, without wasting any time, let's click on start filing. As soon as you click on it, this form will open. Yes, so I'm going to take you not in a brief tour, but I will tell you that what are the things that you need to do and the important things in order to fill that form. The first thing, you need to put your name right there, and remember, you have to only fill the fields which has the star in front of it. So name, yes, you have to put your full name right here. Your phone, of course, whatever your phone extension is, you can do that. Your email, your business legal name, whatever your business is registered with, your business DBA name if you have one, and then your street address, your municipal business or tax license number, whatever you have, and then the type of business. Are you a corporation? Are you an LLC, sole proprietor? And what it is, whatever it is, you can click right here. But remember, this grant is just not for profit business, it's also for non-profit. And I was so shocked when I read this. So yes, if you are a non-profit organization, you can apply for this small business grant. Again, the next one is, and the ninth one, that what year was your business formed. So you need to tell them that what year your business was formed. And the other thing is that what is the field of your business. You can even apply this if you are in liquor store and other things, so you can do that, because most of the grants, they don't allow you to do that, but in this one you can do that. If you are a restaurant and you serve liquor, then you can apply for this grant, because most of the grants actually prohibits the people who owns and the businesses who owns the liquor and who runs the liquor and sell it. So please remember, you can do this in this grant, so you are good to go even if you serve liquor. Now, of course, the other one is my business is not home-based or home-based. If you are running your business from your home, you are still eligible for it. And again, if you are the only employee in your business, you can still apply for this, and this is an amazing opportunity, right? And of course, they will actually ask you that how many franchises or locations you have for your business. And then the other things, I'm not gonna go into this because this is something internal to your business. You have to read it and see how you can apply it. But remember, right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, and please like the video. It shows that you really care about us and you support the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, time is running out. Apply as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.